Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
During the Ladakh standoff of 2020, Indian Army had deployed its existing heavier T-90, T-72 tanks and infantry combat vehicles in eastern Ladakh. The Indian Army's tanks weigh anywhere between 40 to 50 tons. The latest version of Arjun tank weighs 68.5 tons. China meanwhile has deployed its new lightweight tanks Type 15, which weighs around 33 to 35 tons. While the Indian tanks are heavier and are having more firepower, the Chinese tanks are more agile. This is the time when Indian Army felt the need of lightweight tanks. As per the latest update, DRDO's CVRD and L&T has also started working on the lightweight tank. Initially, the plan was to use existing K9 Vajra chassis and replace its 155mm gun with a 105mm gun to reduce its weight. From what it seems, this plan has been dropped now. As per the recent tender issued for the supply of various parts for the light tank, it seems that CVRD is going ahead with chassis of NG MBT. Though this was designed initially for Indian Army's FRCV program, CVRD seems to be reusing the same design for light tank, which seems to be right segue for development. One of the unique features of this design is a 3-member crew configuration located at the frontal portion of the hull, which has maximum protection. By doing so, the amount of passive, composite and reactive armor protection required for the crew on the turret is reduced, which can further reduce the weight of tank. The tank is expected to have weight of 35 ton. The tank is expected to be powered by MTU MT 883 KA500/501 diesel engine, delivering over 1100 kilowatts shaft power with 10 speed, 5 forward and 5 reverse. The same engine is being used in Western tanks such as Leclerc, Challenger 2E and Merkava Mk4. Since CVRDE has started working on lightweight tanks, we can expect the first prototype of the tank coming out between 2023 to 2024, followed by its trial. The production of tank may start by 2027. Considering the requirement of lightweight tanks for armed forces, it is needed to fast-track the development process for the lightweight tank program. To achieve this, DRDO, CVRDE and Army Design Bureau should come together and work. While CVRDE has experience of making Arjun tanks, the Army Design Bureau understands the operational requirement of Indian Army very well and can work to monitor this project. DRDO can transfer the required technologies here to CVRDE. As per DRDO, if given a chance, it can spin a light tank into production within 4 years.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.